Now let's say we have two functions, f of x is equals to fx plus 1 and function g of x is equals to 3x squared minus 5. And let's say we are required to find these composite functions. So for number 1, if you are looking for the function of fg of x, so in this case we will treat g as an input to the function f. So of course in this case function f is fx plus 4x plus 1, so this is 4g of x plus 1, and of course g is equals to 3x squared minus 5 plus 1, and then if you expand the bracket, this is 12x squared minus 20 plus 1, and finally this is 12x to the power of 2, okay, minus 19. For the second, so this is g of fx. So in this case, we will treat f as an input to this function g. So of course, function f here is 4x plus 1, so that's g, bracket 4x plus 1. And function g here is 3x to the power of 2 minus 5. So you will take 3 and then bracket 4x plus 1 to the power of 2, okay, minus 5. And then you expand the bracket. So we have 4x plus 1 times 4x plus 1 minus 5. So we'll take 4x multiplied by 4x, that's 16x squared. Then 4x times 1, that's 4x, plus 1 times 4x, this is 4x as well, and then plus 1 squared, which is 1, minus 5. So expand the bracket, this is 48x squared. This 4x plus 4x is 8x, so times 3, that will be 24x, plus 3 minus 5. So conclude, this is 48x to the power of 2 plus 24x minus 2. Right? Then let's try number 3. So number 3 here will be f2x. So this is not f function f to the power of 2. Instead, this is actually fx. So we will input function f into function f itself. Okay, so in this case, function f is 4x plus 1. So we will input this into the function, so that will be 4 bracket 4x plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so we expand the bracket, that's 16x plus 4 plus 1. So finally, that's 16x plus 5. Now, let's try the last one. The last one is function f to the power of 2. So in this case, let me just scroll down. So in this case for number 4, so that's fx to the power of 2. And of course, function f here is 4x plus 1. So that's 4x plus 1. And then we square it. So this will be 16x to the power of 2 plus 8x plus 1.